Oi pessoal, tudo bem com você? Eu estou hoje aqui na Puro Açaí em Teresina, Piauí. Eu amo açaí. Hey guys, I hope all is well with you today. I'm excited to share another experience in Brazil with you. We're at Puro Açaí. I'm going to show you how to make a traditional açaí bowl. Vamos lá.
First thing you need when making an acai bowl is acai. Nearly all the world's acai is grown here in northern Brazil. In particular, the state of Pará produces most of the acai. It grows in the Amazon River Basin floodplains. You can see the acai palms on the banks of the Amazon in this photo I took when visiting Pará. People climb the palms to harvest the berries. This picture shows some of the bunches of acai berries. The berries are processed to make the acai. I decided to add some creme de cupuaçu to my bowl as well. Cupuaçu is another native fruit here in Brazil. Puro Açaí offers 46 different toppings to complement your acai. They have acai with a little sugar and acai fit, which doesn't have any sugar added at all. In the state of Pará, it is tradition to eat acai with a little sugar and tapioca. My friends in Pará said you never add fruit to acai bowl. They will often use acai as a sauce for their fish and shrimp. So I'm adding tapioca to my bowl. Don't tell my friends in Belém, I'm going to stray from tradition and add some fresh cut strawberries. And some granola. I couldn't resist with all these great toppings. Puro Açaí, you can add as much of whatever you want. When you are finished, they weigh your bowl and charge you according to weight. The acai was amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Ciao, ciao.